Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a new website by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary to know, and do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video that I post next. So let's begin. Today I'm going to tell you about Viono Technologies. So first I'll tell you how to earn on crypto or fiat. Top up supported currencies. Choose between crypto or fiat assets. Make sure you are using the most up-to-date banking details and the correct reference to avoid any delays. Start earning. Once received, the assets in your Viono account will automatically start earning interest, which is credited to you daily. You are free to add or withdraw any amount at any time. So there is a chart which shows you USD asset monthly 20.1%, and Euro asset 20.1%, and BTC 24.117%. So 1.1 million plus Viono users, $297 million insurance or custodial assets, 200 plus available in 200 plus jurisdictions. Top tier insurance and flexible earnings. You can see both of them by clicking these. Why earn with Viono? That must be a question in your mind, that why should you earn with Viono? So grow your portfolio exponentially while keeping your crypto and fiat safe. High interest rate investment deposits, low investment threshold, flexible system of deposit and withdrawal, a talented team of experienced professionals, automatic management of your own finances. You can join now by clicking this join now button. Calculate your interest. Select term and enter an amount to see how much interest you could be generating on your assets. So you can deposit your amount. Here, and you just have to select deposit team, a 1 week, 1M, 3M or 6M. So bonus is plus 0% right now, and capitalization is also no. Profit $21.0, which is a big amount, of course. Total amount is $521. In person, 4.2%. You can start earn with Viono by clicking this button. This calculator is for information and reference purposes only. Rewards are calculated daily and may change from time to time, but the rates presented above are minimum guaranteed for the duration of the above team. Available fiat assets ready to earn intersect. Grow your wealth with Viono high yield savings account, 21.1% monthly. Your interest account 20.1%, GBP interest account, and 20.1% monthly USD interest account. Available crypto assets, 20.1% monthly USDT interest account, 24.17% monthly LTC interest account, 24.17% monthly BTC interest account, 24.17% monthly ETH interest account, 24.17% monthly XRP interest account, 24.17% monthly Doge interest account. You can see the rest by visiting this official site from my description link. So after 24.17% interest, unique daily payout, add or withdraw funds at any time, 24/7 customer support. So some frequently asked questions, all your questions about Viono answered. So the first question is, what is Viono? Viono is the most advanced platform for instant crypto and fiat investments, and the only financial company to provide its services in crypto and fiat currencies and in more than 175 jurisdictions. Viono gives digital asset holders the best of both worlds: instant access to cash and retaining ownership of their assets. Viono's instant investment platform combines seamless user experience with military-grade security and with 256-bit encryption. Clients' funds are held in the individually assigned multi-signature wallets in cold storage, held with the only qualified, audited, and Goldman Sachs backed custodian BitGo. BitGo is cryptocurrency security standard level 3 as well as SOC 2 compliant. So the second question is, How to earn up to 24.17% monthly on crypto or fiat currencies. So the answer is start earning up to 24.17% monthly in 2 simple steps. Open the Viono platform, transfer assets into your Viono account. You're all set. Now you're earning daily interest that automatically goes into your savings account. Note that's it. You'll instantly start earning interest as soon as the transaction is confirmed. Find out which digital assets are currently available for our earn suit and what the exact interest rates on our site. The third question is how to create Viono account. So opening an account at Viono is very easy. Please follow the steps to create and activate your Viono account within a few minutes. First of all, go to the official site, which will be in the description box. Click create account. You will be redirected to the registration link. Enter your email, choose a strong password, enter your phone number, name, and click the sign up button. After clicking on the sign up button, you will be asked to verify your email address by clicking on the link in an email which was sent to the email address used when registering your Viono account. Go to your personal email account. Open the email from Viono and click verify email. Your email will be verified, and after you click on continue to your Viono account, you will be redirected to the Viono platform. You should now be logged into your Viono account. Congratulations. How can you withdraw cryptocurrency or fiat currency from your Viono account? You can withdraw your savings from your Viono account at any time. In order to initiate the process, please use the withdraw. Under our #0fees policy, you can make unlimited free of charge crypto or fiat withdrawals. Please note that due to security and compliance reasons, new accounts might experience withdrawal processes of up to 24 hours. Second last question. How is your data protected? Your personal information is contained behind secured networks and is only accessible by a limited number of persons who have special access rights to such systems and are required to keep the information confidential. In addition, all sensitive credit information you supply is encrypted via secure socket layer SSL technology. To maintain the safety of your personal information, we implement a variety of security measures when a user enters, submits, or accesses their information. Our security and insurance. So, last but not the least, the most important question about Viono technology is our security and insurance. By implementing ladder vaults solutions, Viono's total insurance portfolio now amounts to $375,000 USD. To vault insures digital assets for up to $150 million through a customized insurance program backed by ARK and Marsh. This upgrade is a part of Viono's broader plan to increase our insurance to over $1 billion in 2022 via a syndicate of leading insurers. The safety of clients' funds is the main priority of Viono. Cold storage wallets are provided by BitGo, the leader in digital asset financial services. BitGo custody carries $100,000 in insurance protections through a syndicate of underwriters and through the Lloyd's, the world's specialist insurance and reinsurance market, and this premium service comes in at no additional cost. The $100 million policy covers digital assets where the private keys are held 100% by BitGo in the event of third-party hacks, copying, or theft of private keys, insider theft, or dishonest acts by BitGo employees or executives, loss of keys. Viono has chosen BitGo as its custodian because BitGo provides 100% cold storage technology in bank-grade class vaults, and the BitGo platform is SOC 2 Type 2 certified. Advanced authentication mechanisms are employed to ensure the authenticity of data and assets are disturbed geographically and organizationally. It is the account holder's responsibility to safeguard their accounts by means including but not limited to using a strong password and controlling all login credentials to Viono. Clients remain owners of the crypto and fiat access placed into Viono's accounts. So you can even ask another question if you have another question about our Viono technologies. You can ask the question by simply clicking this button and filling some of the formalities, and you can create account by clicking this create account button by these steps that I've told you before in these FAQs. So strategic partners are BitGo, Ledger, Paxos, Blockchain.com, Circle, Fireblocks, Brave, Jumio, and many more. Membership is Crypto Valley, Global Finance, ITSA, EFA. Ready to make the most of your crypto and fiat currencies, move your idle digital assets to Viono and start earning up to 24.7% monthly in less than a minute. You can earn with Viono by simply clicking this button, earn with Viono. So, product available assets, how to earn on crypto or fiat, profitability calculator, our partners and memberships are advantages of working with us. So, company, about blog terms and conditions, privacy. You can even follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can contact us by some of the given emails, general advertising inquiries, and customer support. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from my video, do subscribe to my channel, do share my video so other people might know about this, and do like my video so I can know that how type of videos you like, and do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video that I post next. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.